One good way to study for your exam is to use the self-check quizzes in your book. Go to Resources. In the drop-down menu, you can choose the chapter you want to study, and in the drop-down menu under that, choose the section that you want to study. Then click on the Check button, and it will bring up a self-check quiz for that section. A self-check quiz has 5 multiple-choice questions from that section. You can answer each question, get a hint for those questions if you need, and once you're finished, you can click Grade the quiz. You can take as many of those self-check quizzes for each section as you want. It will give you a different set of questions. You can also change your chapter. You can do self-checks for chapter overviews, which will be information that you need before starting that chapter. These will have 10 different questions of information that you needed from the previous chapter or previous math classes. And then finally, you can do an Assess the Chapter self-check, which is like a multiple choice chapter test. Again, this works the same ways as all the other self-check quizzes, where you have multiple choice questions that you can answer, you can get hints for. The chapter evaluation ones will be longer, and again, you can do it as many times as you want and get different questions.